And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 4-pack of A19 LED bulbs. These are 500K bulbs and only pull 13 watts of power. Little logo here on the side. Let me take one of these out and show you. Little instruction kit with just some more specs about the bulbs, and nicely cased down in here is 4 LED bulbs. So these have the nice plastic all around them. You ain't got to worry about breaking them or busting them. Just little specs there. So nothing much really on the bulb side. Let me put these into an outlet and show you exactly what these bulbs look like. So these are the A19 LED bulb 4-pack, the 5000K. These nice plastic ones. Put 3 of them in this light fixture. So we'll go to widescreen, we'll kill this light and cut on this light. And wow, I am in love. These are super bright. Absolutely love the brightness. 5000K is what I normally like my lights to be set to. It's a super bright white. My wife always says that it's like an industrial look, but I think it just lights up the whole room. Like, you may see dark spots in the video, but in person, there is absolutely no dark spots. So that'll do it for these 13-watt A19 LED bulb 5000K 4-pack. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.